It's a sad day for Wheaties. It's time to retire the old Wheaties hat. I just had my last workout in this hat, and it's kind of sad because I've been wearing this thing in my workouts for 10 years. And if you've seen any of my videos, you've seen this hat a lot. I got this hat 18 years ago at a Target of all places. And, a Wheaties hat's pretty cool, but not one that's brand new. So as soon as I bought this Wheaties hat at Target, I walked straight out into the parking lot and I scraped the bill on the pavement in the parking lot, and I scrubbed it in some of the oil stains left there from the cars, and I gave it a good crease and just give it a little bit of character. And ever since then, it's been, kind of like my trademark. It's showing a little bit of wear now. The color's not nearly as vibrant as it once was. This little button on the top has lost all of its fabric. It's worn away from all the times it's been dropped on the pavement for burpees or push-ups or planks or what have you. And all of this wear here on the bill is from the 33,000 push-ups I did during 2021 during the quarantine. And when I went deep enough in my push-up where the bill touched the ground, I knew I was deep enough in that push-up. So it's so sad to say goodbye to this hat after having gotten my butt kicked so many times in 10 years, but it's time to say hello to a new Wheaties hat. Come on, you didn't think I was going to stop wearing a Wheaties hat? Once a Wheaties man, always a Wheaties man. We'll give this little crease. You can see the colors all vibrant orange, good Wheaties orange. Even a little button on top has its little fabric layer, and there's no wear on the bill. So we'll see how many times I get my butt kicked in this hat for the next decade. So goodbye, old Wheaties hat. Hello, new Wheaties hat.